It pretty much saved my life. I was in, and still am in, but was in the most stressful, frustrating, unknown situation I've ever been in my life. I had no idea about the language. I had no idea the process. All I know is that one day I had a private investigator come to my house, and he served me with court papers and said I had to be in court because I was being charged with 2 counts of fraud. And so immediately I went into shock because I've never been in trouble in my life. So I thought, oh my God, I'm going to the gas chamber, I'm going to jail, I don't understand what I did. On top of the fact that I'm not getting the help that I need, no one's listening to my doctors, I'm getting worse. I have an invisible injury so people can't see it. I mean, I don't know how to get through this, so I am like spinning out of control. And I didn't know what to do other than think about what other option do I have other than like wanting to die. And it was that very day that I found IWC through Google, thank God, because I was hysterical. So I got somebody on the phone and he explained what was going to happen, what it looked like. I didn't have a lawyer, so he explained what I had to do on my court date. He kind of listened to what my story was and then talked me through where I go, what room I'm going to go to, what I'm going to see in that room, what I have to say. Somebody said, I think it was one of the lawyers I spoke to here, said there's a group I think you'd really benefit from. Do you want to sit in on it and see if it's something you're interested in? And it was the Injured Worker Speaker School. And I sat in on the first day, and just right away there was all of this information. And immediately I felt like I had a leg to stand on, because there were things that I was learning that I didn't know were my rights. It was not only like powerful, it was somewhere where I learned how to like harness my emotions and be able to speak about my experience powerfully and not just hysterically. This clinic actually, like, it saved my life in a way that it's like a miracle. I've never been that sad or alone or full of anxiety or stress in my life. And the only reason I had a leg to stand on was because I had this clinic to come to. When you have this community, that's your breath. That's your the weight lift off your shoulder. Stop the cuts to legal aid, because it's not just it's abuse, and you're playing with people's lives.